Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sumedh, and in this video we are going to be looking at how you can learn Google Cloud for free. So as you can see on the screen here, you can see 8 different learning paths. Okay, these are the tracks. These are basically the learning paths which are offered by Google Cloud for free for you to learn for 30 days. Okay, so let's say if you are a beginner, you can just choose this getting started learning path and you can get started with Google Cloud. Okay, then the next thing is, let's say if you want to specifically learn some skill inside of Google Cloud, then you can go for something like cloud engineer or DevOps engineer or machine learning engineer. The content which is going to be inside, so basically what you are going to learn in this learning path is mentioned over here. You just need to drop this down and you will get to know what are the things that are going to be covered in this particular learning path. So that way you can specifically choose a particular learning path, and you have to choose only one single learning path out of these 8 learning paths, and you have to complete it. So that learning path is going to be consist of courses or different labs that you have to perform practically on Google Cloud. And once you complete that, you're going to be getting skill badges. Okay, so what skill badges, as you can see they have mentioned over here, once you have completed a Google Cloud learning path, make sure to share your new Google Cloud skill badges on your social networks. Okay, so firstly let's see what that skill badge looks like. So as you can see, this is my Quick Labs profile, and in this you can see this data engineering skill badge is there, verified and certified by Google Cloud. So this is something that you can post on your social media networks like LinkedIn, or you can just put it on your resumes, where the recruiters will get to know that you have been certified by this particular skill by Google Cloud. So it will basically help you a lot in terms of applying to jobs in the cloud field. So you just need to choose any one learning path out of these 8, and you're going to be getting skill badges after completing that particular learning path. So let's just see how you can register for this program. So for that, you just need to scroll down over here and you just need to fill in this form, which consists first name, last name, your business name. If you're working, you can just put your company name. And if you're not working, you can just put up your university name. You can put up your email, that is going to be your personal email, your job title. So if you're working, you can put up your job title, or if you're not working, you can put it as student. Okay, so that is something you can do. Then the business mobile phone, you can give up your personal mobile phone as well, your country, and pick your learning path. So you can select only one particular learning path. I had filled this form already and I had selected the DevOps engineer learning path. And once you basically submit this form, you will get an email from Google Cloud. So once you get this email, you just need to click on start learning. Once you click on start learning, there is going to be a code which is going to be pre-filled for you to be there. So this code is basically pre-filled. You just need to click on I'm not a robot and you just need to submit. So once you submit, this code will get activated. You can subscribe if you want. So let's say I have selected the DevOps engineer learning path, so I'm going to be subscribing to that. And so as you can see, let's see onto account, you can only see 9 credits. Okay, so you haven't yet received the monthly subscription. So to receive that monthly subscription, as you can see, it's mentioned over here, to enjoy free access to the DevOps engineer learning path, you must start by completing the first lab, which will unlock your 30 days free. Okay, so firstly you need to go on to this lab right here. You have to complete this lab totally, which will give you a tour of Google Cloud hands-on labs, how Google Cloud labs work, and how you have to perform all the labs to complete this particular learning path. And once you basically start the lab, the timer will go on. You will get credentials for the Google Cloud and you can complete this lab. Once you complete this lab, the monthly credits will be credited onto your account. Here it will be shown that as monthly subscription instead of 9 credits. So I hope you got to know all the things that this program has to offer. That's it for this video. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.